Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Marion Hall is gearing up for her anticipated Sumfest appearance. The gospel artist today released the video for her latest single, I'm Doing Better.
I'm doing better, way better since you left. I'm doing better, way better without you, straight.
Marion Hall shared with E-Prime her plans to distribute Bibles at the Reggae event.
So I have over $1,000 for 2,000 of the Bible. 2,000 is $3,000 something, but we also want a pool, so we need to buy a pool, and I saw it by the Walmart because I'm bringing a pool. I'm bringing t-shirts, Kiss Out My Bible, and with the scriptures right there on it that say, seek ye first the kingdom of God and all His righteousness, and everything else which shall be added. So we're bringing all that, and everything is going good, and I'll get the money to buy 3,000 Bibles.
Sumfest is on track for this July in Montego Bay, and over the weekend added Tanya Stevens, Ja Vinci, Egyptian, and Massacre to the lineup. Now, Ed Sheeran's Thinking Out Loud is the subject of a new court case in New York. Sheeran is accused of allegedly plagiarizing Marvin Gaye's song Let's Get It On for his own ballad Thinking Out Loud. The lawsuit is being brought by the heirs of Gaye's co-writer Ed Townsend and was originally filed in 2017. It alleges that Sheeran and co-writer Amy Wadge copied an ascending 4-chord sequence and its rhythm. Now, let's take a listen to both.
Trying to hold back this feeling for so long.
Baby, my heart could still fall as hard at 23.
In his defense in court on Tuesday, Sheeran said that most pop songs can fit over most pop songs. You could go from Let It Be to No Woman No Cry and switch back, referring to songs by the Beatles and Bob Marley. Sheeran faces a total of 3 different lawsuits brought by different parts of Townsend's estate, with 2 more currently on hold. The New York hearings are expected to last a week. Sheeran has been accused of plagiarism numerous times before. In April 2022, he won a UK court battle over his biggest hit, Shape of You. In 2017, he settled out of court after songwriters of the Matt Cardle song Amazing claimed it had been copied by Sheeran for his song Photograph. I'm Daedrian reporting for E-Prime.